The relationships we maintain determine our potential in life, as they can open or shut down a wide range of opportunities. So it's paramount to be able to build and manage our personal and professional connections properly. ZeeQuest Navigator provides you with methods, insights, and recommendations to do that smoothly and efficiently. The Build My Team enables you to properly select, analyze, and position important people in your life, your relation with others, in specific areas of life. Michael is reorganizing 3 departments in his company: R&D, IT, and marketing department. First, he needs to type organization name, SUSTech. Then he needs to choose category, business, and choose organization's leader. In this case, he sets himself for this position. Now he will set up the first team, the research and development department. In next step, he set up team leader, Steve Harris. And now he has to choose team members, Abby Summers and Donna Malinsky. Let's add an IT team. Thomas Weber is the leader of this team. Members of this team are Veronica McKay and Adam Landis. And finally, the last team, marketing. The leader of this team is Anna O'Brien. Members of marketing team are Benjamin Thompson, Mary Bright, and Luke Kent. Now let us take a look at the Manage My Team feature. This part shows the overall strength of the organization in several business subcategories. All members of all teams are included here. This part shows the overall strength of the team leaders, the leaders of each team. In our case, these are Steve Harris, Thomas Weber, and Anna O'Brien. This part shows the influence all team members have on the main leader. In our case, this is Michael, in various business subcategories. On the right side, there is an influence that the team leaders have on Michael. We also have an overview of each team, R&D, IT, and marketing. Let us take a look at the marketing team's report. Here it is shown who the leader is and who the team members are. This part shows the overall strength of this team. This section shows how the team members influence the strength of the leader. We can also see what influence each team member has on the team leader. In our case, Benjamin and Mary have a really big influence on Anna. Benjamin is actually a perfect business match for her.